Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for east central Grayson County and north central Texas until 4:30 p.m. At 4:01 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado